Then he said to his disciples, "The harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. Ask the Lord of the harvest, therefore, to send out workers into his harvest field." Matthew chapter 9, verse 37 to 38. Bishop Joseph Obanyi Sagwe was born in the year 1967 in Kebiro, Kisii Diocese. After his formation journey as a seminarian, he was ordained on 25th October 1996 as a priest of Kisii Diocese. On 5th December 2014, he was appointed